Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you English first chapter, three questions. So, this is the story of a king. Dear students, this is the story of a king. There was a king. There was a king. The king has three questions. I mean to say, three questions arise in the mind of king, and he wanting to get answer that questions. The king thought to be successful always, he must know the answers of three questions. So let us see paragraph first. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, what is the most important thing for him to do. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these questions. Students, I told you in the beginning that the king has three questions, and he wanted to answer that question. So the question was, first question was, what is the right time to start something? And question number two, what kind of people should be listened to by him? And last question that arises in the mind of king was, what is the most important thing for him to do? So these three questions king had, and so the king sent most his people all over the nation, and he was ready to give a large sum of money to anyone who answers these questions correctly. All wise men from around the nation came to answer king questions. To see, many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Means many scholars came into the court of kings, and they described different types of answers. And in reply of the first question, what was the first question, students? I think what is the right time to start something? It was the first question. Means in the reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Means in the first question, in the answer of first question, what is the right time to start something? So some scholars have view that the king should prepare a timetable, and according to that timetable, king should work and then follow to everything strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time? Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who could help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. स्टूडेंट्स, इस पैराग्राफ में एक राजा था जिसके दिमाग में ये तीन प्रश्न आते हैं कि किसी काम की शुरुआत करने के लिए सही समय क्या है, उसके दिमाग में ये पहला क्वेश्चन आता है। और दूसरा प्रश्न उसके दिमाग में आता है कि किस लोगों को उसको सुनना चाहिए। और तीसरा प्रश्न ये आता है कि व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग फॉर हिम टू डू, उसके लिए क्या सही काम है जो कि वो करे। तो ये तीन प्रश्न उसके दिमाग में आते हैं। तो राजा जो है वो ये अनाउंस करवा देता है, ये घोषणा करवा देता है अपने राज्य में कि हमारे तीनों प्रश्नों का जो जवाब देगा, जो उत्तर सही सही देगा, उसको जो है राजा बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट जो है वो इनाम के रिवार्ड के रूप में देगा। तो इस तरीके से स्टूडेंट्स आज आपका पहला पैराग्राफ समाप्त हुआ और हम अगले वीडियो में आपके साथ फिर से दोबारा उपस्थित होंगे सेकंड पैराग्राफ के साथ। थैंक यू।